To begin, pull your steps down so you are able to reach the step flanges we will be attaching the shoe holder clips to. Determine your preferred centering for the shoe holder and rest the bottom 4 clips onto the step flange, pushing each of the clips down into place. Here's a closer look at how that clip fits on the flange. Place all 4 of the top clips onto the step flange and push them into place as well. You may encounter difficulty if all 4 of the clips on both the top and the bottom aren't resting on the flange at once. After connecting the shoe holder, press down to make sure that the shoe holder is secure.